Alright guys, so to do this rear diff fluid change, it's very simple. You're going to have to jack up the car from either the driver's side or underneath the diff. And you're going to put one jack stand on that side, one jack stand on this side, and also do the same in the front to make sure that the vehicle is level. After that is complete, what you're going to do is take your tools. You need a 14 millimeter Allen. What I used is a 14 millimeter, but a shorter version to get to the bottom drain plug without having to loosen the exhaust. This one is a little bit too long to fit in there, and then you're also going to use a 4 to 6 inch extension for the top. What we're going to refill with is the 75 W140 red line gear oil, and then also the limited slip friction modifier. The issue that I'm experiencing in this vehicle is I'm having the notorious noise from the rear diff, which has been discussed with on M5 board in quite some detail. So it's very simple. There's one bolt right there, and then the top one is going to be your fill. Just make sure when you fill this up, have the car as close to level as possible for the top one, so that you don't overfill the rear diff. And the other thing is loosen the drain first, and then the top fill afterwards. Don't have to replace these necessarily. You just need the fluid.